Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Napoleon. This is the Altitude AX36, also known as the AX36. This is a zero clearance gas fireplace by Napoleon. I really like this model because it's got a nice tall opening. It really just adds a lot to the room. So this Altitude model is going to be shown with more traditional options. So you can see you do have the brick. This is just a stacked brick pattern as far as your interior firebox lining. You do have various options that you can change out as well. This model does have a safety screen located on the front of the unit per EPA changes that took effect back in 2015 on gas models. But I think Napoleon does a really great job. It doesn't really block the view of the flame or anything like that. So the Altitude, the AX36, is a zero clearance gas fireplace. So it can be actually built right into the wall, and you can frame right up to it with combustible materials. So that's kind of a nice option to have. Napoleon does a really excellent job with their gas fireplace line. You can see that it does have a nice flame. Napoleon gas fireplaces are actually adjustable down to a 50% turn down rate. So that's nice if you don't need the full heat output. This particular model is going to be 36,500 BTUs. Napoleon gas fireplaces are going to come standard as natural gas. They can be converted to propane, but you must purchase a propane conversion kit separately. So I hope that you guys found this video overview helpful. If you do, if you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.